So, ladies and gentlemen, happy birthday, Bobby Baman Khair, 11th November, 11/11. You just see, have a closer look on the ingredients. The great ladies are taking, they are eating, they are enjoying a beautiful, beautiful lunch today. It's Saturday, and then under supervision of Shamiji Moza, and then, you know, just see that they are enjoying a very beautiful, you know. Oh, get this is manja. This is, you know, this is beautiful, excellent. This Kashmiri damalu. This is again salmon paneer, and this is sukwangun. You know, this is kalia. They have finished all the adi takin. They have finished, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, this is math. Oh, math. Thank you, Kukuji. Thank you, sir. God bless you. And now they are very exhausted after doing work all day long in the morning. And then have a look, ladies and gentlemen. Blessings from Yasha ji. He's also after having a beautiful lunch, he's having a small sleep. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoying the sleep. And you never can tomorrow on. And that's exactly, ladies and gentlemen, we have finished today the celebrations, a very small at home, you know, at home celebration, get together with all close family, and have a look at the muchatin. It's of course, it's very nice. It gives a very soothing, you know, soothing feeling to the stomach. And ladies and gentlemen, my sister, the small sister, you know, younger sister, small sister, but with a very big size, you know, very big size, Seema Bangu. She used to be very slim sometime, but now, of course, after some time, you know, that she has put on a lot of, but then, of course, she wants to get back in size now, ladies and gentlemen. And my wife, Manju Moza. And now we wind up, ladies and gentlemen, on this happy note today.